Have you ever heard about combining apple cider vinegar with honey? The mixture of apple cider vinegar and honey became famous due to its many properties. In today's video, you will learn how to use these ingredients to make a natural body detox. For many healthcare professionals, the intestine is a second brain, and when the intestine isn't doing well, our bodies and minds suffer. We have already talked about this here on the channel. Have you watched the video yet? Click on the card to watch it later. Making tea with honey and apple cider vinegar is the best option to detoxify the body, improve digestion, stop inflammation, strengthen the immune system, and lose weight. Apple cider vinegar helps with digestion and improves metabolism. It also aids in detoxifying the liver and reduces fluid retention. In daily doses, it can lower cholesterol levels and control diabetes. Many people also report that ingesting apple cider vinegar helps curb their appetite. Isn't it nice? And honey, besides giving the tea a nice flavor, also improves gut flora, prevents constipation, and boosts immunity. Write down the ingredients. 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, preferably organic, 8.5 ounces of mineral water. Warm up the water, add both ingredients, and stir with a spoon until well diluted. Drink it twice a day before lunch and dinner. Never drink this tea while fasting, especially if you suffer from gastritis, acid reflux, or ulcers. It is not recommended to drink this tea in the morning on an empty stomach, since it can increase acidity even more. Try this powerful combo and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.